between highlight cell rule will highlight a cell whose cell value is between two specified value. Select one or more cells in a range. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click the arrow next to Conditional Formatting, and then select the highlight cell rules, select the between. This will open a dialog box where you can specify the value and the appearance option. Apply to range is showing the selected cells. Rule type is showing selected rule. Enter two values into the input fields. Excel will compare selected cell values with these values. If cell values are between these values, then Excel will apply formatting on those cells. Select the desired appearance from the drop-down menu. You can customize the appearance by changing the fill color, font color, and border type. Now click Done. The cells with values between the given numbers will be highlighted in yellow. The specified value itself is also highlighted. The between highlight cell rule also works with text values. By using Conditional Format box, you can add new rules or edit and delete existing rules.